Welcome to Spyder Auto's installation guide for Tundra LED tail lamps. Work on a soft, non-abrasive surface to avoid damaging your tail lamps. Before we get started, you'll need a T30 TORX screwdriver. Start by dropping your tailgate. Each tail lamp is secured by two T30 TORX screws. Start by removing the TORX screws from your tail lamps using a T30 TORX screwdriver or similar. Now, carefully pry the tail lamp away from the body. Remove the tail lamp harness and bulbs from the assembly and set the assembly aside on a soft, non-abrasive surface. Notice that there are three bulbs in the tail lamp harness: the reverse light, the turn signal, and the brake/tail light. When installing any tail lamp, be sure to keep track of which tail lamp bulb is which and what bulbs should go where. Be sure to keep all the bulb socket gaskets for a tight seal and to help keep your tail lamps free of moisture once installed. Now reinstall the reverse and turn signal lamp bulbs, making sure to insert them fully and twist them securely into the socket for a tight seal. Now locate the brake lamp bulb and remove it from its socket. Notice the colors of the wires leading into the brake lamp bulb socket. It's important that you properly match up the wire colors of the wedge connector and the bulb socket itself. Wiring them the wrong way could cause you to blow a fuse. Line up the black wire side of the brake lamp bulb socket with the black wire side of the wedge insert. Once you've connected the wedge insert with the bulb socket, give it a few gentle tugs to ensure that your connection is secure. With the wedge connector securely inserted into the socket, insert the socket into the LED lamp assembly, being sure that the gasket is secure before twisting it into position. Now carefully mount the LED lamp assembly to the body. Now reinstall and tighten the two T30 TORX screws that secure each of the tail lamps. Take care not to over-tighten the mounting screws, as this may crack the lenses. Congratulations, you successfully installed your Spyder LED tail lamps.